Chocolate honey cake with ice cream custard cream. Soft airy layers, rich chocolate flavor, and delicate cream. Today we're making a dessert you can't help but fall in love with. In this video, I'll show you how to decorate a cake simply and very attractively. I'll also show you how to make ganache for coating the cake, which gives the dessert a glossy, appetizing shine. We'll work with a palette knife to decorate our cake properly and easily. We'll top it with delicate little currants that look stunning on dark chocolate. Look how gently the knife sinks into the cake cutting a slice. You can see just how tender and airy it is. Now, the cross section, honey chocolate layers and airy buttercream create an unmatched rich flavor, and it looks so harmonious. So, where does it all begin? With making and baking the layers. Ingredients: butter 50 grams, wheat flour 275 grams, cocoa powder 20 grams, fine sugar 100 grams, honey 75 grams, salt half a gram, baking soda 4 grams, lemon juice 10 grams, eggs 2. I use good quality alkalized cocoa powder with 12% cocoa butter. A bright lemon note perfectly brings out the chocolate and honey flavor, adding lightness and softness. Add sugar, honey, and butter to a saucepan. Place over low heat, stirring constantly until the sugar dissolves and everything combines. Don't let it boil. Pour the mixture into a bowl and let it cool slightly. Add eggs one at a time, mixing well after each. Add a pinch, about half a gram of salt, and mix well. Divide the flour into 2 parts. Add 1 part, sifting it in to aerate the dough. Mix well, add all the cocoa, also sifting it over the mixture. Add the second part of flour through a sieve, mix but not fully, then add baking soda, quenched with lemon juice. Mix everything. The dough should be smooth and stretchy. Weigh the whole mass. I got 600 grams of dough. Then divide the dough into 6 equal portions of 100 grams each. Cover the dough balls with plastic wrap so they don't dry out. Take 1 ball at a time and roll it out between 2 sheets of parchment. My cake will be 20 centimeters in diameter, so while rolling I check with a ring. Remove the top parchment sheet and prick the surface with a fork so it doesn't puff up. Bake on the bottom parchment sheet. While the layer is still hot, cut it with the ring so all layers are even and neat. Save the scraps for decorating the sides later. Now let's make the airy delicate cream. Ingredients: sour cream 20%, 600 grams, heavy cream 30%, 300 grams, powdered sugar 140 grams, adjust to taste, add 20 to 30 grams more if you like. Add powdered sugar to the sour cream and whip until fluffy. Separately, whip the cream to stiff peaks. Now combine the cream with the sour cream, carefully folding in small portions. You can also mix cream and sour cream with a mixer on low speed until smooth. Look how airy and delicate the cream is. The spoon leaves a clear mark on the surface. Prepare a piping bag. For convenience, place it in a tall jug. It's easier to fill that way. Assemble the cake in an adjustable ring. Set the diameter slightly wider than 20 centimeters. Line the edges with parchment strips. Pipe a little cream on the base to secure the parchment walls. Place the ring, add the first layer, and put the cake on a scale. It's easier to pipe equal amounts of cream between layers. I used 140 grams of cream per layer. Cover the top layer with plastic wrap. Place a flat surface with a light weight on top. The cake soaks evenly and cream spreads flat. I used a 500-gram weight. Tighten the ring gently. Refrigerate for 6 to 8 hours, preferably overnight. After that, take the cake out of the fridge and remove the ring. Time to decorate. Look, it already looks beautiful. You can leave it like this or decorate the sides with cake crumbs. After assembly, I had 300 grams of cream left, so spread it on top and touch up the sides. A chocolate ganache makes a stunning accent in both flavor and looks. I only apply it on top. The sides get chocolate crumbs for texture. Making chocolate ganache. Dark chocolate 56% 100 grams, heavy cream 30% 70 grams. Heat cream over low heat. When first bubbles appear, remove from stove, don't boil. Pour hot cream over chocolate. Let sit 2 to 3 minutes, then stir until smooth. Set ganache aside and decorate cake with chocolate crumbs. I pulse the crumbs in a chopper, coat the sides evenly. Next step, apply the ganache. If it thickened, reheat in microwave in 15-second bursts, stirring each time. Spread with a palette knife. If you have a turntable, place the cake on it. Slowly rotating makes decorating easy. To set the ganache, just put the cake in the fridge for 20 minutes. For decoration, I chose black currants. They look great on chocolate. So let's appreciate our dessert. Look what a masterpiece we made. Cut a generous slice and serve it on a plate. Look at this cake in all its glory. Even sides, chocolate decoration, berries on top, and of course, the tender cross section. Final moment, tasting. The fork easily separates a piece, the layers are soft, and the cream is airy and melting.